Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah.
Hey the greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
My favorite Oxtail.
we have oxtail in the oats.
Yeah, Oxtail in the oats.
We have some steamed cabbage with some broccoli, and we have some gungo rice and peas.
Yeah, man.
And then we have plantains. It's in the middle, but it's really all mine.
Sorry, you can have it for one.
Because
Oxtail is mine.
That's fine, because I told Richie I'm gonna make some plantains real quick, and Richie said he don't have time for that. He's hungry right now, and I told him it's gonna take 5 seconds.
No.
He said no, I want to eat right now. And look, I was able to make plantains, so he's not gonna get any. You want some, honey?
You can't go on chat and see if you're getting enough food here.
Whatever.
You made my favorite again. You made my dish. Thank you for making my dish. I requested it. Family, I requested this day.
You're welcome.
I gotta eat slow. You know when I eat oxtail now, I gotta eat slow and enjoy every bit of it.
But shouldn't you eat fish slow? Swim around?
No. Appreciate my favorite dish. Oxtail is.
Put my own together.
First day you came through at crunch time, man.
It got pepper in it too.
So I don't need no grease. I need grease
know.
now. I don't think I need no grease. God damn, hot one for you.
Pepper.
I don't like my food so hot off the stove.
I know.
You see all that steam?
But
I can't enjoy it like that. Look at this cabbage.
when it's hot off the steam, that forces Richie to eat the food slow.
I have no clue.
Or it's too hot.
What's the birthday? Is it steamed veg?
Cabbage.
Steamed veg. When you got so you get steamed veg. Same thing. I'm doing oxtail. I shouldn't get in the oxtail. Look, I'm gonna tell you about what I'm back.
Do it again.
Don't start this up again.
Do
now.
it again.
Don't start this up. Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm getting.
You and I'm poor. You shouldn't eat oxtail.
But be quiet. If you guys want to know how we prepare this oxtail, we do have a video on it as well.
Gungo rice is a good one. Steamed veg. Look at this cabbage. Well seasoned.
See, this is how I like my oxtail, nice and small. I don't like them
big. No, actually, knock him off. Yeah, run. You have a napkin already?
Yeah, let me get one. You take that one. Thank you. I don't like big oxtail.
Yeah, we don't like oxtail too big. It take long to cook. Yeah, when it's too big, it take forever to cook. I like my oxtail. All right now. Yeah, I know. What is my favorite dish? And remember, I'm coming back to that bone. Before we go any further, how y'all doing? Because after this, because I don't think I'm gonna be talking today, I'm just gonna have to enjoy my food. Y'all doing good? What? Y'all eating oxtail too? Oh, but y'all got it from the restaurant? Yeah, it's alright. It happens sometime, you know? Yeah. They said they got oxtail from the restaurant. They put enough broccoli on your plate today. Yes, when you plan them.
Don't touch my plantain. I will give you one.
I put a plantain in.
You told me that you don't want a plantain because the plantain take too long to cook. There you go.
You take too long because I'm hungry. You don't take too long to fry the plantain.
No. As soon as we was ready, the plantain was done.
You hear what they said?
I didn't burn it this time.
Give me a plantain. That's not being greedy. Wow.
The cabbage is very simple. It's just cabbage and some everglaze, some salt, some pepper. You steam it, and as soon as it gets a little bit cooked, I throw the broccoli on there. And I had some leftover broccoli. Like I said, we don't waste. We try our best not to waste stuff. So I had some leftover broccoli.
The people them ask you?
Sometimes I feel like just.
Yo, they never ask you nothing but the broccoli. Why y'all just people say I'm leftover broccoli?
Because I'm telling them, Why you asking my business? I'm talking to the people. I'm not chatting to you.
My God, yo. Which one you got first there? I got
I had
half and
leftover.
half.
I had leftover broccoli.
My goodness. My youth.
So I'm showing you that when you have leftover stuff, you can make into another dish. I know you was worried about what I'm talking to the people, to the family about for.
Yeah, but ask you. Make sure me talk to him, you don't act when I'm talking. Ooh. I deserve my meal. Wow. I didn't reach no way. Let me just sit up.
You can manage that food?
Are you side more and young first boy, me can manage food. But manage
Don't
food.
come over here.
Me, I'm taking my time, cause hot. Yeah, it's too hot for me today.
All right.
Oh.
I'm drinking the Georgia one, the Georgia Lipton. But I have a little bit of water, so I'm gonna pour it in here because you know it's sweet.
Free yo. Took up that.
I saw that, you know. Stop. Don't do it. Stop.
Not that one.
Hammer time. Oh, 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 oh. Okay.
For all my Oxtail lovers out here, put them on the first lady style. This one now dropping up. Cause any drop I'm getting up and picking it up right on camera. First lady. There we go.
I still look good,
I
man.
still look good, man. Some people, when they cook the Oxtail, they pressure cook it.
Yeah.
When they pressure cook, you want to simmer down. You know what I say?
To me, when you pressure it, the bone
They're too soft.
get too softy. And then even if you pressure it just right, where it's not softy, I feel like you don't get as much juice in the bone. I don't know, maybe it's just me.
Yo, y'all go see the bone at the end. That's how Oxtail supposed to eat. Don't eat Oxtail like that. Don't come over here. Yo, food nice, man. First they make good Oxtail. When first they cook Oxtail, and we had party and stuff like that. Well, it was my side. I'm moving over. When we had party, first thing they come to, where's the Oxtail? And I told you before, I have to hide it. I have to hide it.
I remember the time
Yeah, no lie, family. Yes, I hide. Yes, I said hide.
when Richard and I just started dating, and I had made some fried sprat for him. And sprat, for those of you who don't know, is a little fish like this small. And you just season it and you just eat it like that. The bones and everything, because it's so small, the bones are so soft. Right, honey? So I made that for him one day and he loved it. And then the next day he was like, oh, can you make it again? I made Richie the fish. And that time, he lived in New York and he was living with his mama, his brother, and father, all that stuff. Richie took the sprat, put it in a container, and put it under his bed and hid it. And I said, honey, you're not gonna give them any? He was like, nope, this is mine.
Hide the fish, man.
Hide the fish.
I hide it. My step.
Have you guys ever hid food from somebody? Because my mother hid food from us.
Yeah.
My dad had brought her a whole box of manga. My mother loved manga. And my mother hid it under her bed. And every time we would go in the room, we'd be like, this room smell like manga.
Yeah.
And my mother would be like, you ain't smelling no mango. It's all in your head. And we'd be like, And every time we leave for school, my mother would sit there and eat all the manga by herself.
So here we go.
So my dad was like, did you guys get in the manga? We was like, manga? When? He said, I gave Janice a whole box of manga.
That's right.
My mother ate it all.
For her lonesome.
No.
Good job, Mom.
To share.
For her lonesome. Yeah. If I gotta hide the food, I hide it.
No, see,
Wait a minute. I hide it.
people. Okay, so here's the thing. People they sell big oxtails in the stores. Okay.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna buy, first of all, I don't think I could buy a big oxtail because it'll just turn me off. I don't like big meat. Food wise.
You like big meat.
But
You got your talk. You like big meat. You like small meat.
But I could see me getting a big piece of oxtail or 2 or 3 big pieces.
Go on top, man. Listen. I'm listening, girl. Talk.
I'm making like a braised oxtail and then taking the meat off the bone and putting like in a taco.
Oh.
You know what I mean? But what I don't like is when a store puts 2 big oxtail and then 2 little bitty oxtail. What's the point of that? The 2 little bitty oxtail is gonna cook way faster than the big oxtail.
Yeah.
I never understood that.
See? First lady made vodka just the way I wanted it. She used to put the butter beans. I tell her don't put in there more. I don't like the butter beans in there.
Yeah.
I eat it when I'm hungry. But I don't like the butter bean in it like that. Give me less time to eat my meat.
But I do it sometimes. I'll sometimes not put the butter beans and sometimes I will. Because he doesn't like the butter beans, but the kids
I pick it
and
out.
us like the butter beans. So I alternate.
But if I'm real hungry, family, it's going down.
But I think you don't like the butter beans because when I make oxtail with butter beans, I make sure that I like when the butter bean is cooked out. I don't like when the restaurants that will make oxtail, and as soon as the oxtail is done and they put it in the container, they would just pour the can of butter bean on it. I don't like it like that. I like it to cook with the oxtail. Ooh, excuse me, pig. You're not telling the story time.
I'm not telling the story, so my name is Oxtail today. You can't tell it. I told you I wasn't even going to talk.
No, please.
And I'm talking.
Please, you can't help yourself.
I bet you I could go out one day without talking. I bet you I could. You want to bet me? Family, comment down if I could come one day and don't talk. What y'all think? I want y'all to be honest.
But if you come and you're not gonna talk, you can't eat either.
No, I'm eating. I can eat. I'm not talking. I ain't talking for me. So let me know. First day is I can't. And let's see. Are you gonna try it? All you gonna see is fast. No chatting.
So we're only gonna have a 5-minute video then.
5 minutes and I never 5 food.
That's all it takes. So
Nobody coming. What are you gonna say?
I'm gonna tell you guys this quick story time.
No, I'm looking if you want any more juice, girl.
Oh, I gotta watch you because you're slick, man. My sister was pregnant at the time. So me, Richie, my sister, our kids, her kids, we all drove to New York. Because we're going to give her a baby shower in New York. That's where my mom is. She's in New York. So we drove to New York, had a great time. And on the way back, we're driving home. Sorry, guys. So we're driving, and we had to get off this exit.
Hold on there. Let me taste yours and see if it tastes like
No.
Because for some reason, yours look like it tastes better than my side, no? Swap.
Yeah, no, I'm not swapping nothing.
Because your oxtail look like it's different.
Stay on your side of the plate.
Okay.
So we're driving. Did we miss a turn, my love?
Yeah, we missed a turn. And it was
We
raining
missed
too.
the exit. It was raining. It was raining. And we missed the exit, but it was late at night, so nobody was on the road. So we just stopped. Like you know how when you have the triangle like that, and it has that area where you can park the car. Well, you can't really park there, but you can simply have the car there, whatever. So we stopped, And when we stopped, and Richie's about to, because Richie was driving, Richie's about to reverse just a little bit so he can get off the exit. I don't know why, but for some reason, when you're in a car with someone and someone is about to reverse, it seems like everyone's head turns to see
whatever going on.
if anything is behind us, even if they're not driving. So the kids, everybody was up at this time. So everybody turned to look, and when we turned to look, nothing more than we see this lady trying to open up the car door. It was a van that we had rented, trying to open up the van door. And we all was like, what the, like that. And she was like, and we was like where the, we couldn't understand where she came from because we didn't pass her on the highway. We did not see this lady at all. So we all jumped back and we're like, what the? And then she's like, and we're like, okay, what's the problem? And she's like, oh, like,
want to come in?
Can I come in? And we was like, no. And she was like, when she did this, she was like, and we was like, no. And she's like, please, it's raining. We was like, no, we don't know you. I mean, the woman, if the door was open, thank God this guy right here lock up everything like a Fort Knox.
Yeah, right.
Because that lady would have opened her door. We, up to this day, we still don't know where she came from. Because I'm telling you, we stopped. And then we reversed it, and we all looked, and she just came out of nowhere, like trying to open the door. We was like, what in the world?
That was a ghost.
But the thing about it is that when we reversed and drove off, and we all looking behind us,
she was gone.
She was gone. We didn't see her again.
Gone. So what y'all think? Yeah, that was a ghost.
Duppy?
People don't believe in that?
People don't believe. I'm just gonna say that.
I believe in it though. Cause I see with my own eyes. Do y'all believe in it?
I believe in Duppy.
No, seriously. Do y'all believe in ghosts? Because I witnessed it myself a lot of time. But at the end of the day, you can't be afraid of dead people. You gotta be afraid of people that's alive. Dead people can't do nothing to you. Right, for me?
That's what I'm saying.
Don't you talk a lot? Yes,
You
she
chat
do.
sense.
You chat sense? I just... It's all good.
Oh, fuck I am. Does she get just too much?
There's more in the pot. I ain't worried about it. She can take as much as she want. There's more in the pot. Oh, damn. I bite my tongue, you know?
Exactly. Till you talk too much.
Damn, yo.
That's what happens.
I hate that, yo. No, I can't do no more mukbang. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, I can't do no more mukbang, family.
When you bite your tongue, you bite your tongue hard, yo. Damn.
Because I'm eating my food. Family, one time I bite my tongue, my teeth went through it.
Wow.
Because I'm eating and I'm talking on my damn mouth.
Wait, we thought it was chicken?
RFC. Tomorrow when I come on, I'm not talking.
Whatever.
This was a delicious meal. I enjoyed.
So did I. Your oxtail tastes better than mine.
So good. There's more in the pot.
The one on your side just now?
I like that. So good. Sharing is caring.
Yeah? Huh. But you don't share my food?
I help myself. I don't share.
Your teeth.
See? This is how your bone supposed to look. If your bone don't look like that, no entry in my casa. Yeah. Nothing, not even a piece of meat on it. No entry in the casa. And if you're coming, you better make sure you tell me. Because we don't open door like that. Is that no open door policy? Yeah. That was good, First Lady. Even though you take on my oxtail,
I'm glad you
I'll let you
enjoyed.
slide off. I'll let you slide with that one. Pastor Rich is in the building. In the business world, everyone is paid in 2 coins, cash and experience. Take the experience first, the cash will come later. What you say, y'all didn't hear? How y'all didn't hear and y'all waiting for this? Come on now, y'all tripping, son. Again, First Lady, did you hear? Okay, listen to me, family. In the business world, everyone is paid in 2 coins, cash and experience. Take the experience first. The cash will come later. You see me?
Yep.
All right. Put it in y'all words. Okay. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for coming. We shared with y'all. Like, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy family. Greedy Shanice, Greedy Richie, aka First Lady. Do you think, First Lady?
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yeah,